Hey everyone, what's going on? Today's video I want to show you how to connect the Plantronics Legend Voyager Bluetooth headset with an iPhone 11, and it should work the same for the iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max. Let's get started. So with the Plantronics, you first want to, of course, turn it on. There is the on and off switch at the back of the headset, so go ahead and just push that up. And as you turn it on, it's going to light up in blue about 3 to 4 times. And after that happens, next up, you want to get it into pairing mode. And to do this, there is the answer and call button right here, the little button right there. Well, what you're going to do now is long press it. So you're going to remain holding it down and pay attention to the light indicator. Just hold it down. And when it starts blinking blue and red, just keep holding it down. There you go. Once you see that, let go of the answer and call button. And that means the headset is in a pairing state. And from here on, just go ahead and rest the headset or put it on if you want to. And then go into the settings of your iPhone 11. So we'll go into the settings here. And then we'll go to where it says Bluetooth. So we'll go to that. And as you're in this section here, go ahead and turn that on. And as you turn it on, it will start searching for nearby devices and wait for PLT Legend to show up. Just give it a few seconds. And then you'll see PLT Legend. And once you see that, just go ahead and tap on it one time. It will connect for you. You'll see the volume appear on the side just to show you that it's connected, and the volume settings. And of course, if this guide is helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, turn on notifications. And I'm just showing you where to go if you would want to remove it or check to see if it's fully connected. So other than that, like, share, and sub. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you.